This is our brainstorming. Vivian and Casey are going on the steel eel in SeaWorld. The tallest drop is 150 feet tall. When they reach the top of the peak after 3 seconds, the car is at its tallest height. The roller coaster car reaches the origin after 6 seconds. So this is our work. In our first column of our matrix, we're putting the x values squared. In the second column, we're putting the x values, and in the third column, we're putting 1s. Then we multiply that matrix by another matrix that has all of our y values. Then when this is plugged into the calculator, we get the values of -50 thirds, 100, and 0. And then based off of those answers that we got, we plugged it back into the standard form equation. So we got y equals -50 over 3x squared plus 100x plus 0. Now that we have our a values, b values, and c values, we can then plug it into the quadratic equation to find our roots for our graph. So when all of the values are plugged in and you simplify it, these are the answers for the roots that you get. So here I'm just graphing it out with my y value being 0 and my maximum being 3 and my endpoint being 6. So now I'm plugging everything into the calculator. Just to show you, the maximum again is 3, and then I'm plugging in different values until I get to this full graph. So in our project, the roots in this case are the origin and 6, 0. The origin being where our roller coaster cart began, and 6, 0 being where it ended after it went across the hill. So our y value is 0, 0, the origin, because that is where our cart began, what we made the origin. And at that point, the cart had not gone up any or raised by any feet.